Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the first chapter of chemistry of 10th class, chemical reaction and equation. So this is the overmap of this chapter. The first we will discuss about the introduction, then chemical reaction, then characteristics of chemical reaction, then chemical equation. There are two types: balanced and unbalanced chemical equation. Then balancing of chemical equation. After that, types of chemical reaction: combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement reaction and redox reaction. After that, corrosion, and in last, rancidity. So in whole chapter we will discuss about these topics in detail. First, start with introduction. So let us consider a few example of process in everyday life and observe when a piece of paper is burnt, curdling of milk takes place, rusting of an iron articles, digestion of food is done, etc. These such type of process in which the original substance lost their nature and identity and form a new chemical substance with a different properties are called a chemical change. So we can say जब मिल्क से कर्ड की फॉर्मेशन होती है तो जो मिल्क है दिस इज द ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस. अब इसमें क्या होगा, इसकी जो प्रॉपर्टीज है एंड नेचर बोथ आर चेंज. जब एक न्यू सब्सटेंस की फॉर्मेशन होती है कर्ड, तो हम वापस कर्ड से मिल्क नहीं बना सकते. सो इट इज़ अ परमानेंट चेंज. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ चेंज इज कॉल्ड द केमिकल चेंज. सो नेक्स्ट, ड्यूरिंग chemical reaction, a rearrangement of the atoms takes place between a reacting substance to form a new substance having entirely different properties. So we can say chemical reaction involve breaking of the chemical bond. Chemical bond means जिस force of attraction से दो atoms hold होते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, chemical bond, present in reactant molecules and forming new chemical bonds to products. So we can say a chemical reaction is when a reactant change into product is called a chemical reaction. Reactant can be one or more than one. So first, reactant. What are the reactants? The substance which take part in a chemical reaction are called the reactants. Means the reacting species. जैसे हम फॉर एग्जांपल एक अपना नॉर्मल एग्जांपल लेते हैं. जैसे हम चाय बनाते हैं तो उसमें दूध, चाय पत्ती, चीनी और वाटर और हम मिक्स करते हैं और उसको हम हीट करते हैं. सो दीज आर द रिएक्टेंट्स और फाइनल प्रोडक्ट क्या बनता है हमारे पास, टी. सो दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट. सो ऑल द रिएक्टिंग स्पीसीज in a chemical reaction is called the reactant, and the product, the new substances produced as the result of the chemical reaction, are called products.